Tourism officials are this evening pointing to continued growth in Carnival in Jamaica, even as questions linger about hotel capacity and visitor arrivals following disruptions caused by Hurricane Melissa a few months ago. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett gave the signal during a press conference today.
Take a sip now.
Jamaica is ready, Kingston is ready, and Carnival 2026 is ready.
Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett on Wednesday as he unveiled the findings of the Impact Assessment Study for Carnival in Jamaica 2025. According to the study, the 2025 staging generated 165.7 billion Jamaican dollars in total economic output, a sharp increase from the 111.7 billion recorded in 2024. For Minister Bartlett, the data show that Jamaica's Carnival product is more than a party weekend.
It confirms that Carnival in Jamaica is no longer simply a seasonal celebration. It has matured into a powerful tourism and economic asset with measurable national impact.
The assessment also found that direct spending tied to the event reached 7.7 billion Jamaican dollars. Local revelers spent an average of more than 433,000 Jamaican dollars each, while international visitors spent roughly 5,300 US dollars per person, pushing overseas spending to nearly 23.6 million US dollars. Despite those figures, critics have long argued that the average Jamaican is still not seeing enough benefits from the Carnival boom. The government has sought to push back at those claims.
Everybody that's involved in the events ecosystem benefits, and that filters to hundreds, if not thousands, of families in the corporate area and beyond. So it's something that we need to rubbish, frankly, and to let people understand that when you have thousands of people in one place over a certain period of time, and these people are visiting for the most part, that's money flowing throughout every part of the ecosystem.
With 4 weeks before Carnival 2026, concerns about accommodation have taken center stage in recent weeks. That's because some hotels have closed their doors following Hurricane Melissa. We put the issue to Minister Bartlett.
We're proud to say that we're 75% now of our visitor arrivals for last year in the month of March, and that's significant in terms of the overall recovery. We still have nearly 8,000 rooms that are good rooms that are to come on stream, which will all flow over the next few months into December. So we are seeing a recovery that surpasses what our initial projections were.
Meanwhile, there have been calls for greater investment in entertainment-driven events that can boost economic activity. Culture and Entertainment Minister Olivia Grange argues that the government has significantly expanded support for Jamaica's entertainment industry in recent years.
There is a lot more to be done, but we have done a lot. And I think if we work even closer as partners, we can get that much more benefit out of entertainment, cultural activities, and the output of the creative practitioners.